Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
The video from Victor DDS today. So I come across the video from Victor DDS today. That particular part I cut it out where he unveiled the little girl behind the Ijemeso Ginaraga. Ijemeso Ginaraga Facebook profile. You know, that name I'll be bullying a lot of people on social media. You know, taking their picture and turning their picture to something else on social media. I be told that all those pictures where they carry people head, put pig, put people, they take people picture, can't turn out to something else. In the name of them supporting Atuari. They say Ijemeso Ginaraga. They say I rename they said is Juliet. They say her name is Juliet and she based in Belgium. Her name is Juliet Belgium, Ijemeso Ginaraga. It was unveiled yesterday by Frank Victor. You know, it was uncovered yesterday by Frank Victor. He did it, was it 2 days ago? So they was trying to, you know, confuse their followers. So not until Victor revealed the video that Sandra Agbogun used to wish her happy birthday. The same picture, everything. Everything we had the same thing, you know. So a real name, a picture, and a place of residence, everything has been revealed, you know, has been unveiled. So Ijemeso Ginaraga is saying there is no resting place for the wicked. One thing you should not do, whether once you are on social media, it doesn't matter whether you are using your real name or not, whether your voice is even on it or not. Okay, your social media is where we live these days. Everybody is online. Okay, don't because of anyone, destroy your own self. You understand? If you want to, even though you're on that such account, if you want to be speaking, stand for the truth, be honest, say things the way they are. Even though you know, I keep telling people you can't tell anybody who they should support. You can go ahead and support who you want to support, but support that person with wisdom, with sense, because you don't want to lose yourself in that process. You know, that person will be on social media making money. You are inside your house, they're hiding out. By the time your picture will come out, you are shaking, you are looking for people to go and call to say, oh, why I have me, my picture is, you know, and the person you are supporting, that one is not afraid that we're being Roy. Oh, yeah, we go. Now you cannot even bring yourself out. Maybe you run we can decide okay. Well, you know what? I'm going to start doing live because I believe I have something to offer. You know, you can't do that. Ijemeso Juliet Nore Belgium. You know? Your picture will be unveiled now. I can't do anywhere where bully anybody. I can't Ijemeso unless you are fake account of it. And I have a move. So I suspect to a picture where ya bulu web social media. Your real picture. A picture where larger name even so run with Belgium. And we are very cool. Yeah, we in a ship. I know I'm over a social then a social no day. Ubege, a man to well do large. Do a mess not it's an old cacao nissan. Emmanuel where we Belgium. Yes, I have you a Latin. But it's so well. Oh, you are about social media with your picture attached to it. It's not funny, my sister. I'm telling you, it's not funny. I understand. But I'm not saying I really can. I really keep picture of Latin. And then social media, my hair has it here. You hear why? No, here it for photo. Only my mind. When there's organization native doctor do confess a day, Renia, Ave Yazeri. You will need to last a 5 years. Okay, mommy, no care my life social media. You beg a year why and egg in him. I na hair has it no tell you know. Whether you like it, as well we commit a crime in here for releasing someone else's naked picture. What me? Where I say boy social media. I am the lioness of social media. Yes. Iyo rotated the lioness of social media, aka the leaky bar of social media. Monya ya. I understand. So I know we are doing it. Even so, Genaraga, the prosy accounts. Come on, could you want to go work the prosy account. Her name is Juliet, and she resides in Belgium. So yeah, why are they by Lala? Mommy, Juliet, you see your life now. What you say, Frank? Tell you, wait, we are water. They know how you work, but no make I tell you what social media. Why call a platform? Why hele? Frank is insulting one before we came or say we came when not go where we not celebrate where Juliet when we are by Lala Yemesugi. Frank don't they insult other people before una call and say me can't celebrate your birthday for you. Why una not call and say my brother this thing way they do is no good. I better stop. Okay, stop. We don't like it. We are women. Oh, when I'm a birthday again, I'll go and celebrate a birthday. In fact, you give me tell you what, when I correction you give you what. You correct you what. I understand. Because I keep down what do any correct you what back. Or look at it, maybe if you pick on someone, within 2 days you move on. But you will continue to use that. Why are we video here? Yeah, what we do analyze it. Yeah, what we do analyze it. We analyze the topic. Yeah, the topic, you know what? Yeah, anything yeah, you almost immediately like you as I know analyze. You know? You know, I be here that so getting I must almost start by life. Was it last year or some sometime last year? You're not going to swing me. You're not calling a show. And I'm just, I am more winning any. Even so, General Guy, you want any in that time. You are, we are just, I call you, and I'm just, amen. Amen. You know, so before you start correcting yourself, even when Mama Gladys, I want to picture Vienna who Latina, una benajo. A picture of Latina, do where be a picture you wear, okay, no, over social media. Then you will not start behaving yourself. You will not stop. It's when you are supporting someone. Why will you destroy your own side because you are supporting anybody? Now you are hiding. You cannot use social media. When you are supporting someone, you cannot do your own thing. You cannot advertise your own product. You cannot have your own YouTube channel. You cannot have your own page. You cannot grow on social media because you are supporting someone. A picture will like your if you have any children, your children picture will follow. So her real name is Juliet. She based in Belgium. We're gonna be a member of where I want to know what you know. Now you have to talk to. Use your science, use your number 6, my sister. Think, reason. Supporting someone that doesn't mean you should be stupid. Okay? Doesn't mean you should be stupid. Don't destroy your own self. Your own self. Unless you are keep prosy account or you have bullying one now. And a new account is a lady and one year. When you bring video. There is a scene, not be me get on, not be na lie, now you get on. Now you get on. You know? So picture don't come out now. So let people start, dismantling your picture. Yeah, I'm a picture where and yeah, so again, yeah, I'm a picture where I'm and where Emmanuel Belgium is a picture where Lajane your real name is Lajane. If you are getting any children, very your children yourself will surface. Let them start doing to you what you are doing to others. You start to have a taste of it when you're my dear. In a correct Monica beginning for years. And Monica no need to bring it on it, serious beating. Serious blasting on it. I'm beating in here, all dear. I understand. So if you are supporting someone, now support one, use your head. Juliet, We they answer EMA Soje for Facebook. You know, my good baby. The answer EMA Soje for now. Good morning. The answer EMA Soje for Facebook. You know, yes, I've been seeing a lot of people complaining about her, terrorizing them, bullying them. Then the profile wise, most of the picture in ya bully one ya or ya delete ya in it, but delete most of them. You have deleted most of them. Deleted most of them. Where all of your picture one? Oh, Mama Joy, yeah. Good morning, ma. Yeah, me so general ga. Ejule to rini mo re bejon yi. We support Monica. Alright, if you picture ma and ogbenagbena your bullying ya. The song where over are by la Joma. On where by la again, only my bully, only my push what my ahin your way. A kid downward to a social media correct to Waba. Iye so generaga, a Juliet no rebejon, where good one. Eman where ye pitchy vinyak benagbene, you only marry by la lagu we. Any marry by la lagu we. Good morning. Any marry by la lagu we. Take people picture. Why all we disqualified? We regret by la love. On we delete our picture ni Juliet. Here so gene picture where ya bully him. On we delete. Come anywhere. When of your boy you're born of vain. The my picture my social media bullying ya one of vain. They are ya we are vain. We are vain my way. Ubere we are vain my way. When the record there ma clean wa re bebo gyon. Uwa fi I learn about wa honi ya wa tinya. Hello. Woman gave the no answer. Unless someone well my car often do well. Or for you are in trouble. Or money cut anything you were he. Yeah, when me defense in nena. Alright, biaka bio kwai kam when no soon baba. Or not the team on the command of the ticket my father back bewa. And I go with phone. I gave my baba only my voucher Nigeria na do money. When I tell myself where maybe. Why is Nigeria? Uwago. Where me so I saw you can wear. When I tears up, all can wear. When let's say so. The matter will tire you, you run, you will live on. People they say, don't talk to that person's wife because you don't talk to your wife. Been a video. Una few one be only my guarantee will be all money had a few every day. It can only allow we marking it or you see if you will make one attack away. No coffee off you need. Understand? So man, go any insult to yourself, your husband, your wife, your children, your entire family. Come on social media. Why am I lying? When they men you say, if you do social media, if I know something here, here may have a topic. Yeah, I'm going yo. Oh, we are one. They are their opinion. Yeah, I'm going yo. Because they don't want to be involved. Stay in that lane. Stay in that lane. You know? Once you don't come out, don't insult somebody. Whether na mama, whether na pick that person come out, come insult your wife or insult your entire generation. You don't get right to go bring the juju paper. Why? Because you don't get any moral stand anymore. Because you go to where you bebo no or back way. I want to get water where I want to know the team is on a game no cut or EJ family make be I retire be. I said Jaigu. So all your mental a record the way I claim in social media. That record, keep that record clean. Keep the record clean so that on one don't you know any dia. You egbe your hair be. On guy or I with social media or I with Nigeria or I with ya. Cause I mean your attack who win who touch me be knock off error. Ubege all who were don't turn here. You the crazy keka weta. Or phone. You know fear you can't insult me for social media. Say I the crazy a bonny hand me why or see any not tenita. Equal. Understand? I ain't got your mother where he was, yeah, we get over. You're going to be at his mother. May you go one year. Areba. So the best, if you know say you don't want them, stay clear. You don't want such insult. They pay you for body. And you they tell another person wife say you don't fuck her, you never fuck her. They describe another woman to do what you never seen. You know? So not be I know man. My two brothers, not be waiting good. I know man. Okay, be opalo. But we like her now. You don't go like her. You know, so if you're not waiting, you don't go like. Not dish her out to other people. If you dish her out, we'll come back to you. And you must take it. Once you don't reach your table, you must swallow one. My man social media. My belly no soon. Swallow egg with magic. You know, that's how we take our system. So yes, so General Ga Juliet is her real name. She based in Belgium. She have been bullying a lot of people on social media with their pictures. And now our picture don't come out now. Frank Victor don't review her pictures. Hello, boy. Like financial, you know. The same Frank Victor don't celebrate a bed well. Oh, we are here by la lagi. Why? Why? I don't know celebrate a birthday with Mary by la lagi, Maggie. Or you will enjoying it. Yeah, if Frank Victor is sorting a money cake. Or not anywhere where we birthday where you're not going to celebrate a birthday. Eh? When you correct to one, ye me done wow. When I yard by when I 50,000 I yard by like a second. Why me answer? Why me answer? And you start change your words, eh? If you support somebody, they use your sense. You use your sense. Okay? I don't want on what any picture like it, or maybe any for social media now. I azere. I can you what do it. The platform you will support one do a kini. Platform Monica will not do it. So it can never apply social media there. I azere here. A destiny no konya nini. In like any man like you. You stop it. It's organization native doctor like all my like I'll take my way. Or say tata why is to name it. Ata is only eh. Social if we do wala. Understand? Only put the money carry back command and you do wala la jaw. Areva. So you buy guinea meeting for what up. I okay, maybe not forget those people, when I remove their name. I in Nigeria. And but when you cannot be anybody back when you all you large and one not indicate picture of the large when the native doctor have me and I know where yeah, social media. You know? Yeah, social media, yours. Yes, so gay. Juliet. She character away, yeah. Because it can be more thing. Oh, Gary Lalani. One year, a kick work with Dory, no, I would be your carry with work with Dory. I have anywhere when the Juliet view boy born of a dear Mary Pishema, ya bullying ya social media, and ya castle. When Madame Tivo, as only I wear, they were what. Now, when they go down people party, I said, well, I made you take care to them with Vaila, but my request for money. Okay. Now, they waste to money. Always still what? Why will she delete the picture? She used in bullying people from her work. If she's not the one from no, she's the one. No, you give me. Oh, I'm not telling you now. She's the one. A picture near my screenshot in my why to worry was screenshot on my meaning. Anybody now get buy a lucky. Our gypsy na come. Our gypsy when I let you the verbo, remember no. Our member when you mother do verbo. Yeah, a Monica Guinea, ye piche my bullying and social media. As on a baba, I grab on your card of verbo, I am lame. I mean, the Babanic one say, am I willing to making as on him? I smile. When me so e baba ni rise gbegbe bi to gun yen okuluwa ya kwa ngwa obe mu na come for my children bia kana wa do ya me juru akize useless elements. Yes, so you tell them when you carry don't man like can nika picture come out. You don't say my sister, no, Emma. A picture when I get water jana we have here. Wa le gbegbe. You na go where wana mi o ne. Ya clear. Over clear say. I'm happy. You see your life now. I saw this life bill. No say man I social media man stand man na eno. The push man like my leg gbegbe. Ni man like my leg gbegbe. Aye time no bi. Now you probably to insult other people. You say you can't carry your birthday go give us. Say me help you celebrate. Me celebrate your birthday for you. And they say you they carry other people picture use and they bully them for social media. You got the correct you now. You can run go ayelala. Well, the old reason said why the who got the ayelala paper? You say they call the marshal. All of them we did that group. And I don't go marshal before. What man say, madam? What man marshal? Now do am now. So that one not be lie. Come go wrong, go meet Ayelala. Monica, yes, the same way for me to come give how many hours me come apologize. Oh, guy born worry show. Who waka vembo, waka bully anybody with social media there. When I release any picture go via the rock with social, when I you know via the other year, when I if you get what. I feel go work. Well, all those what won't any guy? Anybody know feel you get one Ogun Bano? And Monica is Ogun Bano China. Yeah, Ebana Alala. If I Ogun Bana, he met you do check, met you do channel is always go away part. If you don't know you have to get one, because you don't qualify, I make it check myself a part. I check myself now. Agua. Oh, when you quit, I may not the ticket in Nigeria, another white, but when I make it an area when I attack. Yes, when go tired. Go tired. Where can the ticket is so what not doing? Social media, I do here. I do here. The Chris. Yes, so you will carry other people, children picture. They bully them. Juliet, you better watch you. Yes, so gay. Yes, so gay. Juliet in Rebellion. They bully other people. Bully other people for social media with their pictures. Your picture don't come out now. But they pray for me a bully on one. That give me any fake account, no bully on the name of Monica. What why? Are you get that account? Go here when. Go here when. If you not stop those kind of bad things, social media will get peace. Social media will get peace. I won't wire do ven body obey do one other account where I bully one TV. Now not this way. Even Monica not this way. Mono one me TV one. I'm going like email. You want me? Ya fe go my voice there everywhere. So I don't get where they. Well, my eyes no one is a video in here. Boy, I cut ya. God forbid. No, I'm not like that kind. Yeah, I want people to know where my name more time. Juliet guy, no yes so general guy at the social media. Onye o fie wori eh. Ajaru da we yan do abule mo no bia du bia ne man. E wori ya re la champa. Social media we azo la kun. Isu ya la de ne ma nu we. Ya surface. E wan wa gba si go susu. Amase. Ya la, you know. So I'm glad you said so that yes, I pray for them try to social media. You go here one for your own height. But before then, you just write, you don't not carry your face come out. My face you want carry come out. See the picture when larger. Wherever like presenter. You apologize. You know why? I apologize. Move on. Move on. Take risks. But you not be a lot paper you go bring. There are good morning. Yes, okay. When you wait Juliet, I go bueno. I will pop on banner. I want to pitch me around on social media, so therefore I qualify. Are we a man one of your boy born of vampire? I you pitch me bullying and so here. I guess when so now I'm going. My phone, we have so Venom. Yes, okay. I didn't know yet. Wait to feel my sister. Don't get to her. She gets it. I be bullying people on social media over this. Probably I mention or bullying my pay in the boy with delete every name. We delete yakwa. If I meet why I show a no denny, I be Nigeria. Otherwise I delete a video a Sandra Bogume. I wish you happy birthday. Only Sandra Boguna was with other was in the way Facebook. I don't know about me. I saw us regular here. Only now was when you know where Facebook. If I reach I make sure I read name more. Oh, you're not a rat. La wo delete la delete la. You know we edit You know we delete as why you so they say yes so gay. Oh no we are ayelala. Why you go meet ayelala? Why? Now you people picture the bully the yes so gay. Now you used to go meet ayelala. Who did eh? All of these people with they do evil. Now then the first they do. Who are going to boy like? They don't even know. Yeah, but social media. Nobody cannot so anywhere you tell you you they use people picture they bully them. Now you see go meet Ayelala on where I tell is only my picture were blue where already name we were carried there or matter. You might go and study when a rock kaka Monica and Mauda. And then boy la on has 50,000 naira. Yes, I can. You see your life. Where is it going? If we now work with Dory, you see, receive disgrace. Terrible now. A disgrace. Oh, where I could do Lati 50,000. You say, Yazeko. On where I tell animals go by a see, oh my God. I mean, why? When I me woman nani oh money me you were direct on very well. You didn't buy that like you. So buy now. What's the nonsense? What? You know? You with the carry people picture they bully them. Cause go aye lala when we bully man with a pitching you now you can see go aye lala. So all the bully where they give people, they never bully you. If I can bully where, you must single way out. It did not single you out. I okay, what or single way out? No, you must single way out. Why lala? Go, happy go. Yes, so Gabi go sound go. By boy lala. Why when I lala you know? A group of your back way and way ye. When you back, I met you and say, I will babu my work is that. And they make person laugh. Why boy social media? What boy lala? Boy lala. Unless I lala ni heaven over. The grace. Let's say la ni eme no ba. So, go carry on that. Morning, people. Get ready for work, Jerry. Yes, okay. We might even about where you but you know, no calm down. For the calm down, You for the calm down because so I say don't bully other people. You let her to win. When we're bullying, him bully when yeah, me we are here. Yeah, Sandu can mention a fake name. Yes, from Victor, I mention a real name. As from Victor mention a real name, they call from Victor, make from Victor go delete the whole thing. You know, if from Victor delete any. You know, so if from Victor is any Nigeria, you know, they were trying to counter what from Victor was saying. You know, they were trying to counter what from Victor was saying. Pravito is more Sadikola, they are not there. Yeah, like profile already, a picture of money about bullying, most of them delete any. On a delete, why we are delete? Oh, you are supporting somebody, must you turn yourself to a devil? I will not do it, but you let a one once you want, or one way in it, but no, I want to evil heart video. You cannot, because who support someone, you tell yourself, because that way we are like in social, you bring yourself out. Oh, where you tell me, look at you bully me, I have to ask you, well, hey, now you believe me that year, I got 3 years ago, you don't fall. Oh, I'm not bullying away, always sag the bar swing. And saga we buy a last sagani. Oh, we buy a bar swing now. No, pitch me were post 5 years ago, a bar swing, and I should sagana. After saga, I mean, another live video. Yeah, I see Bobana, Poy Saga, you told. I said, I already want to run by say. Everybody. Marathon. I saga not do soon. So if you know, say, you know, you are not caught out for such thing. Who got a born or like being in Marioni. While supporting one, they go wire supporting you. Do I the comment no share video no all I say na you na do attack him away because of you dey gbon go all I no like you know take yourself out of it e boy wa me as social media na ya the platform ya lele ya share video ya In me why here working, na ya fi working. They no get anybody that they support. They don't want to carry any because of anybody. They're everywhere. You must you comment for the other side. I can comment anywhere. Nobody be my enemy. When they fight on a 7 on a Saturday. You don't want to come and talk with you I like. I will see share. Now what you like? I will walk up us. You know. Before you want to go bring a lot paper, can't give anybody. Just make sure say your way clear. You brought up a picture. Okay. Why will she delete the picture? Okay. Why will? Before you go, I'm gonna tell you people give money unless money you might you know that person. That person, you know reach where that person did. I want to make me tell you here, or tag you, or nothing in hand. We got log on money. We have a car here. Hey, I feel you work. I actually, when is up? Oh, oh, why not? I need when you're on wire. Well, I'm gonna get cut down. What do you know? No bad around. At the end of the day, when I tell you walk back here, on that, you want money. I phone time. You know, so not your body, young one. Oh, we all want to walk on water. If you want money, I will let you. Where now me insult, why you no insult me? I win a video. I win a video. They will throw your man to your husband, to your wife, in fact, to all your family. Man, understand? Because a boy, even not the money, and always if you get heavy, if you know do well, you know they do well. Don't worry, do well. So go look on you. Don't want to have a latin. Yeah, you don't tell when right, but where's the look where do boy, and we can't me you. We want me and Baba. So you people have to reason. Wow, I say, why can't you do it? Maybe we will have a task. Egbe one way at here so always tie. Egbon we can't tie in only the way collabo. I don't you any. However, ọmọ chairs no we here nekede no we tell me no June. Ọmọ no chairs you not tie me go your team make provoke. Ezu weni of it gbeyewa. So the best if your record is clean, keep it clean. So that ọmọ tell me you egbe wa here deal with one you will have moral sound. Who are me stand here believe who are long and who gbegbedawa. You know? So people, thank you everyone for listening. Another thing I want to say is this. Ave tima no social media no give no gain no tesa wa stop we no gba why you got no give no gain no tesa such talk will not help anybody, will not help you when not help anybody what no ya here man understand we no gba because uta no we mo no we no rudu well atia and we rudu dial atia ejo kabedo afi no ge no gain no tesa uta no mojo kabo we mu we cause egwa magi won hu ni no aru ya we no ge ya ni waro tesa ni mekere social media me no jo pa no tesa no all there social media there no do anything na you be okay no ge no do anything o do we no ma gba social media o e o lesa no am me go me shift no tesa no dey if you know to social media so jo kabo we mi imaya we atie oye jo kabo you face him deal with him squarely man so we have do ima we mi ojo kabo do ala di we no gie ni rotesa my goodness god that is very terrible we tell no jo kabo we mu we wa ni do kini when them of you ye egbe we you tell say we ma la den do rovie a village ya no kere all the no ge no rebi o we like where all the no get Benin because mo feel ye pure Benin man. When I work, you can't do that. You cannot insult the Enoge and Rotesan with their Jokabon. If you cannot insult all the Enoge in Benin because of Mofiuji, you cannot insult all the Enoge in Esan land because of Jokabon. I Timani when you do a kini, what's your bow? You know back. You know back. Because why if you wait was why see you said you at all. You got I do what buy man man if you do get you. Do a man ya I walk here if you're not better than there or the Onogi and Retesa. While you're doing now, so you push to stop. Or yes, a power tell me why not you no get with this and that. Why you no get with the Benin land? Because I'm of you of Benin. If you can't do that, so know that what you're doing by such a energy no Retesa is wrong. Totally wrong. Zero. We are to point a good dawning without Tabani and may I find with Yajoa. It's a very wrong thing, eh? Very wrong. And yet, there is some. Yes, again, Nagaga, Princess Annie, good morning. Yes, again, Nagaga. Yes, again, Nagaga. Juliet, Busy by John. Hey, bully anybody, man. Ukiri one ya. Cause a picture well larger, ne. Awe amu we monkey, anamu we picture we. Amu we ekie, amu we picture we. Amu we lede, amu we picture we. We like yari you and your love. Understand? Stop it. You can support who you want to support. Understand? Where bully man. Did we allow our Joey Mana when why me no so all macro worry to tie is better. You understand? Because a my friend were bullying Yana. Yam been not you to log where Mr. Mammy. A man run why 2 years ya logo. Yeah, like 1 year 4 years no here logo money. Yeah, well, no money top at wherever when you no go tire for your matter. You know, how we here where I get here where burger. So don't put yourself in such. So what you want to support, don't bully anybody because of that. So Dove, when I work, who if you donate here with social media, I as you go where you buy lala, who feel like you are wasting your hard-earned money. I don't know what to do. I will bet you go my we can't waste so our money. Our calculate work as understand. I know we are doing no some. The lady behind that fake account, Iyeso Genaraga. Her name is Juliet. She based in Belgium. In fact, she has bullied a lot of people on social media. We were surprised to hear that she was the one that actually paid 50,000 naira to go to Ayala Shrine to go and summon from Victor. What for? We don't know. She don't have any good reason for doing that at all. Besides, knowing that she's even one of Monica's supporters that be bullying other people with their pictures, their children's pictures on social media, writing all sort of trash in their picture. You know, so how can someone like that even have the mind to go and summon someone else at the Shrine of Ayala? So Iyeso Genaraga. Her name is Julia. She based in Belgium. She's a bully on social media. That is the fact. She's a bully. So we are going to keep an eye on her. So she might end up opening another Prosy account that she'll be using to bully other people. So we are here to, you know, Mary Kenny Marie, my retire Babana in social media. We are here, Gitiba. Thank you everyone for listening to me this morning. I remain irritated, the lioness of social media. Ooh! Yeah, the smell. Yeah, licky bad one. Or bad raw.